here bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we got a technical analysis on Substratum here. Currently sitting at 78 cents, up 3% for the day. Really quick though, guys, before we do that, remember I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We were about 78 more subscribers away from doing a giveaway. Not really 100% sure what I'll be doing the giveaway. Probably going to be doing one of the more popular coins here, like some Verge or Digibyte, maybe Tron. If not one of these, maybe like Redcoin. But just probably one of the more popular ones on my channel. If not, maybe just some Litecoin, just to kind of keep it simple. But so make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and you guys turn on post notifications. New video every single day. Really quick, let's run through the market. It looks like we've crossed 500 billion here. Currently sitting at 511 billion, half a trillion there. Market cap currently sitting at today's volume is just below 22 billion. Bitcoin dominance up to 36.3. Bitcoin just above 11,000. What I was saying in a couple of videos before is I believe our real resistance is at about 11,500, the 12,000 zone. I feel like this is where we might be consolidating a little bit, but before we decide to make that second push towards the upside. Bitcoin up 8% for the day. Ethereum up 3. Ripple up 6. Bitcoin Cash up 1. Litecoin up 0.25% there. Cardano up 4.6. Neo up 6. Stellar up 5. EOS up 1. IOTA up 4. Dash up 6. Just below 750. This below 1,000 is a steal, guys. If you can get it below 800, good for you. But Dash, I'm telling you, Dash is just a good coin, and it's below 1,000 in my opinion is a steal. Monero up 10%, sitting at 324. Tron up 4% as well. VeChain up 5%. What else? Zcash up 2. Omisi Go is up 1. Verge up 34, just below 10 cents. If you can get it below 10 cents, guys, I believe that is a steal. I actually just bought some Verge right before this video. Nano is up 0.15. Steam is only up 2% there. Binance up almost 7%. Sia Coin up 16%. Hopefully you guys got some Sia Coin. Stratus up 2. Status up 1.5. But we're not going to dive too much in that. Really quick, guys, let's run through some Bitcoin price action here. Last time we were at this price, this was bounce 1. Bounce 2 here. Last time we were at this price, guys, we went from about 6,400 all the way up to about 20,000. Definitely expecting the same thing here. We bounced at about 6,800. Definitely expecting a nice solid push to about 20,000. I believe this is going to be our only resistance, or our only real major resistance that's going to give us any trouble. I believe once we cross this, the rest is easy peasy. But as you guys, so last time we were check it out. We were here, no issues, right? As you can tell, it's pretty much a straight drive. So this is kind of what I'm expecting from over here. Is pretty much a straight drive. Besides right here, maybe a little bit of consolidation. But I'm expecting a straight drive from about 6,000 up to 20,000. And then once we get up here, we'll have an analysis. Let's go ahead and look. Oh, I closed my Ethereum. Let me go ahead and open Ethereum over here. Sorry about that. So Ethereum here, I believe we don't really have too much resistance. Well, we do have a resistance here at 1,000. But I'm saying the major resistance here is going to be about 1,200 to about 1,250. Once we clear 1,000, once we get up to this zone, I feel like we might be consolidating for a bit. And then maybe making a strong push towards the upside. But if you look, last time we were at this price, guys, we also made a pretty solid push. It was a nice little drive. The only little retracement we had was over here just to find some support, and then we continued it before we started that little bear market. So kind of expecting the same thing here. Nice little bounce. Expecting a straight push to about 1,400, 1,450, and then maybe a little bit of consolidation before we continue towards the upside. Litecoin here, one of my favorite coins, guys. No signs of reversal just yet. We had a huge bullish engulfing here. Since then, it's been in a steady little uptrend. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour, see what the 4 hour shows us. Earlier when I was looking at this, it looked like we had a double top possibly forming, but it looks like we found support here at about 220, 225. Let's go ahead and look at the hour, see what the hour shows us. So the hour actually showing us momentum is definitely heading towards the upside, as you guys can tell down here. We have 1 bounce, 2 bounces here. Probably going to be finding support here again at about 225 before continuing towards the upside. I'll go ahead and close this. But you guys came here for some Substratum. Really quick, let's run through it. Sitting at 78 cents, up 3% for the day. If we're looking at a BTC value, we're down almost 5%. We're down 4.5%. Market cap is sitting just below 180 million. Today's volume 2.9 million. Circulating supply here 226 million. Total supply 352 million. Major exchanges, guys, here for Substratum is Binance, KuCoin, HitBTC, OKEX, and Ether Delta. It looks like they're mostly being traded with BTC and Ethereum. US Tether there if you guys are doing that. Let's go ahead and look at Substratum's Twitter, guys. Join me at the Substratum offices February 28th at 7 p.m. Looks like they're going to be having an interview here February 28th, coming up in about 11 days. They got a video here explaining how the Substratum nodes are going to be working. Tweeted about a day ago. I recommend you guys watch that one. This is just kind of explaining what the video. So he was actually interviewed, as you guys can tell right here. But this video isn't going to be released till Monday, so this is him just kind of explaining what the interview was about and when it's going to be released and what to look out for. So and where to look for the video. I believe they'll be posting a link here on their Twitter, so you guys can check that out once Monday does come. Definitely, I'll be looking forward to watching that video, but not too much on their Twitter here. Let's go ahead and look at some price action here, guys. So you guys came here for Substratum BTC daily brokers Binance. The platform we are using, guys, is TradingView. So we've been in a downtrend since we hit our all-time high here at about 21,000. We have a lower high, lower high. Looks like we're in a nice little wedge. Momentum definitely is starting to head down. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hours, see what the 4 hour shows us. 4 hour showing us we still have some room towards the downside. Nice little descending wedge. What I'm kind of expecting here for Substratum is actually for us to possibly drop all the way down to about 6,500 Satoshis and then be shooting towards the upside. We're going to come down, consolidate for a bit, and then shoot up. Let's go ahead back to the hourly, see what the hourly shows us. The reason I'm saying it's going to fall to about 6,500 is because this is a double bottom here. Bottom 1, bottom 2. So I'm kind of expecting this to test our bottoms here for support at about 6,500. Oops. Just a second. Expecting us to fall down at about 6,500. Test our double bottom as support for a confirmation and then shoot towards the upside. Where do I see this coin going in 2018, guys? Let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So what I'm kind of expecting for Substratum to do here in 2018 is, first of all, we got to get out of this wedge and find support. Once we do break out of this, I expect us to make a nice little run from about 7,000 all the way up to our all-time high here at about 20,000. However, once we do reach this all-time high of about 20,000, I believe we will come back down here to about 1,600, 1,500 zone, find support, and then head back towards the upside. By 2019, early 2019, I'm thinking maybe February or March, early March, I believe Substratum will be up to about 30,000 Satoshi. This is just my personal opinion, guys. Not a financial advisor, but Substratum is definitely on my watch list. I'm just kind of waiting for it to line up with my price, with my technical analysis here. No signs of bullish entry yet, no, I haven't taken an entry. Pretty much is what I'm trying to say. Looks like we're still gonna be making a drop. I'm calling it 6,500 is my zone, but we're gonna have to wait and see. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, new video every single day. You guys already know. If you guys are on Steemit, make sure you guys are re-steaming, commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see, and upvoting. Don't forget, we'll be doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so make sure you guys are subscribed, turn on your post notifications, and share this channel with everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Peace.